Pakistan has produced some great gaming studios. The title sequence of Game of Thrones, the world's most watched TV series these days, has been produced by Hamid Shaukat. Pakistani visual effects artist Mir Zafar Ali has received 3 Oscar awards for his work in The Golden Compass, Life of Pi, and Frozen. Novera Masood, a Pakistani animator, has provided stunning visual effects in some of the most popular Hollywood movies, including Maleficent, The Christmas Carol, Thor, Transformers 3, and Jack the Giant Slayer. Like Novera Masood, Lareb Atta is another emerging visual artist from Pakistan who has worked on visual effects for some of the most popular Hollywood flicks such as X-Men, Godzilla, and Gravity, to name a few. Cricket Companion application, which received worldwide recognition, was also developed by TriCast Media, a Pakistani startup. Hussain Rahman is the founder of Jawbone, a Silicon Valley startup which has been creating consumer technology and wearable devices for past 16 years and was valued at $3 billion in 2016. E-commerce is also picking up in Pakistan, with leading portals such as Daraz.pk, Parkwheels.com, Foodpanda.pk, and Symbiosis.pk, to name a few. State Bank of Pakistan has allowed the opening of internet merchant accounts, which enables IT companies to receive payments online from their foreign customers using their bank account. Tradekey.com, the world's second largest B2B marketplace after Alibaba, with more than 7 million registered members from 240 countries, was developed in Pakistan. Pakistan is among the world leaders when it comes to financial technologies. Recently, Ant Financial has invested $184 million in Pakistan's leading mobile money brand, EasyPaisa. Another great story is Careem. Currently valued at $1.5 billion, the complete app is being developed in Pakistan. There is a rising wave of entrepreneurship in Pakistan at present, particularly in IT sector. Talking about investments of Rocket Internet, a German venture capital firm in different e-commerce ventures in Pakistan, such as Carmudi.pk, Lamudi.pk, and Daraz.pk. Coin Thiessen, co-CEO of Asia Internet Holdings, said, "It seems that the country naturally has the entrepreneurial gene. A major chunk of the company's investment in Asia will be in Pakistan." With over 114 million mobile subscribers spread across some of the leading telecom sectors, the demand for new and innovative mobile application is growing leaps and bounds due to widespread deployment of high-speed broadband. To that end, Pakistan's mobile app companies have shown extensive experience in developing both consumer and enterprise mobile application for Android, iPhone, and Windows platform at almost 1/4 of the cost when compared with North America and Europe. For instance, Cricket Power TM, a game developed by Mindstorm Studios, was selected as the official game of ICC Cricket World Cup 2011. A locally developed photo editor developed by Pepper.pk and Five River Technologies reached #1 spot on BlackBerry's App World. Several apps for iPhone platform have also reached top spots on Apple's App Store since 2010. 25 IT companies have won gold and silver awards at Asia Pacific Information and Communication Technology Awards in different categories, including startup, mobile applications, e-learning, e-health, e-government, security, supply chain management, communications, and financial applications. These achievements are testament to the high-end enterprise to the IT companies of Pakistan. Pakistan has a strong academic base when it comes to IT. Pakistani IT graduates are skilled in latest IT technology and tools to meet the demands at the global IT market. Many of these universities have technology incubators, also where IT graduates polish their business plans, develop prototypes, and market their innovative products and services to potential customers and investors. At the World Economic Forum in 2017, eBay's chief executive, Devin Wenig, highlighted Pakistan as one of the fastest growing e-commerce markets in the world. The prediction was proved true in 2018 by Alibaba's purchase of Pakistan's largest e-commerce platform, Daraz.pk. In October 2018, Google has described Pakistan as the best place to invest for following 5 reasons. Number 1, rapidly growing population. Pakistan is rapidly growing country which will soon become world's 5th largest population. 40% of the population lives in the urban areas and have access to internet. Number 2, entrepreneurs contributing big. Pakistan is predicted to be the 4th fastest growing economy of the world by 2030. Number 3, rapid increase of smartphone use. 59 million people use smartphones in Pakistan. Number 4, internet penetration is very high. Number 5, China's investment in Pakistan via CPEC. Pakistan's digital revolution is happening faster than you think.